Welcome dear children. Last class we have finished this lesson shipwrecked. Hope all have understood that. Today we will discuss with the grammar. So all take page number 43 in your textbook. That is complete the table about Robinsons. Complete the table about Robinsons. Thoughts or feelings during the storm. That is they were very worried. Actions, they tried to be brave and they also tried to sleep in the ship. Character or qualities, they were very brave, patient and calm. Then after the storm, thoughts or feelings, they were very eager or confused. Actions, they discussed how to get ashore. Then build a raft with cask, rope, jugs and rowed ashore. Character or qualities, they were very practical and cheerful. So take the next page, page number 44. Play with words worksheet. 7 words related to ships in this word search are given there. We have to find out that. First one, the main top outside floor of a ship. We have discussed that. The correct answer is deck. A small boat on a ship used in an emergency. അപകടം വരുമ്പോൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ലൈഫ് ബോട്ട്. A pole with a flat blade at one end or both ends used for rowing. Paddle. The storage area in a ship. Hold. All the people working on a ship. Crew. A large strong piece of cloth fixed to a pole on a boat or ship which helps it move. Sail. A tall pole on a ship to which the sails are fixed or tied, that is mast. You have to circle all these answers in this word search. Now next H, that is about simile. The phrase toss like a top is a simile. Toss like a top is a simile. Understood? Karanga. Pambaram pole karanga enna answer. Now, a simile is that which compare two different things. Understood? See, he drinks like a fish. Ayala fish aita compare cheyna. Understood? Then, they are fighting like a cat and a dog. Avara cat and dog aitana compare cheyna. So, compare between two different things. That is called simile. Now, we will go to the grammar. Tick the correct words to complete the similes in these sentences. See, the words as or like are used for the comparison. Now first one, next morning the ship's mast was as dash as dust, dry, deaf, dim. So what will you say? As dry as dust. He is as cool as a dash, that is watermelon, cucumber, potato, cucumber. Even in the violent storm, the tree stood as dash as a rock. 3 answers are given there. Heavy, dark, steady. Steady as a rock. The little boy was curled up in bed as dash as a bug in a rug. These are all similes. That is snug. She is always doing something and is as busy as a. Busy as a bee, wasp, butterfly. Bee. Now we will go to next section, that is read this sentence from this story. Our only chance is to sit out the storm here. Sit out this storm, that is a phrasal verb. Understood? Sit out this storm, that means to wait for something. എന്തിനേയും കാത്ത് നിൽക്കുക, ഫിനിഷ് ചെയ്യാവുന്ന വരെ. That is called sit out the storm. So, then the phrasal verb means that is a combination of between a verb and a preposition. Verb means action words. Preposition means in, on, at, under, like that. Understood? So, we will discuss these questions. Match these phrasal verbs with their meanings. First one, stand out. Stand out. You have to match the answers. First one, that is to be easily seen or noticed. പെട്ടെന്ന് കാണുന്നതും നോട്ടീസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതും കാര്യങ്ങൾക്കാണ് പറയുക സ്റ്റാൻഡ് ഔട്ട്. ലെറ്റ് അപ്പ്, ടു സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ഓർ ബിക്കം ലെസ് സിവിയർ. Then come across, to meet or find by chance. Look in, to visit someone on your way to another place. Make up, to lie or create a story as an excuse. Then last one, count on, to depend on someone for help. മറ്റുള്ളവരെ ഡിപ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്? സോ യു ഹാവ് ടു മാർക്ക് ഓൾ ദീസ് ആൻസേഴ്സ് ഇൻ യുവർ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് പേജ് നമ്പർ 45, that is guide words in a dictionary are the words that are at the top of each page. Now if there are two guide words on the page, they show the first and the last word on that page. The guide word on top of the left hand page shows the first word on the page, and the guide word on the top of the right hand page shows the last word on the page. See, I will show this dictionary. Two words are given here, convent and cool. Understood? So in this dictionary, the first word meaning you can find here, and this cool is given at the last. Understood? So these are called guide words. Same way here, coolant and cordant. See, coolant is given here. So you can find these two words are called guide words in all the pages. So we will refer here. Write the words from the box on the correct page. That is, some words are given there: railing, rally, rainbow, rage, ramble, railway, random, ramped, rainforest, ranch and rainy. So ragged and race is one page, and raisin and range is another page. So I will tell you some words in each page. First page, raid, railing, rainbow, rainforest and rainy is there in that page. And the next one, rally, ramble, ramped, ranch and random. I will send all these answers in group. Now we will discuss with articles. Some articles are given there, that is the. Understood? A, and. These are all called articles. Now slashes are given there. One line is given there, slanting line is given there, that is called slashes. So you have to write missing words, letters there. Missing articles you have to write there. That is, first one, I lit, one slash is given there, cheerful fire with some dry twigs. So I lit a cheerful fire with some dry twigs. Put on, slash is given there, a pot, filled it with water and some soup cubes. Franz mistook soup for glue. So there slash the is given. Understood? You have to write there the. My wife stirred the soup with a little stick, and tasting it pronounced it very good, but added, how shall we eat the soup with plates or spoons? We cannot possibly raise this large boiling pot to our heads and drink out of it. We looked at the pot in perplexity. So that slashes are given there, you have to fill a and or the. Same way, page number, next page 46. If we only had coconuts, said Ernest, we could split them and make basins and spoons. But we can use an oyster shell instead. A useful thought, Ernest, I replied. Go at once and get the oysters and remember. Gentlemen, no complaints, as the spoons will be without handles and you will have to dip your fingers into the bowl. So you have to fill with a and or the. Soon Fritz appeared. Beyond the river there is rich grass and a shady wood. Why are we here? There is a time for all things, I replied. First tell me, did you see anything of our shipmates? Not a trace of man, living or dead, on land or sea. But I saw an animal more like a frog but with feet like that of a hare. So understood children? Instead of all that slashes you have to write a and the. ആ സ്ലാൻഡിങ് ലൈൻ ഇട്ട് അവിടെ നിങ്ങൾ എ ആണോ ആൻ ആണോ ദ ആണോ വേണ്ടത് അത് എഴുതണം. എന്നിട്ടാണ് അത് ഫില്ല് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, അണ്ടർലൈൻ ദ എറേഴ്സ് ഇൻ ദീസ് സെൻറ്റൻസസ് ആൻഡ് കറക്റ്റ് ദം. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൾസോ എ ആൻഡ് ദ. എവിടെയാണ് അത് വേണ്ടത് അത് എഴുതണം. വേർ ഈസ് എ ബാത്റൂം? സോ errors you have to underline. Where is a bathroom is not correct. So a is the error. You have to write the. Is tomorrow an holiday? An is wrong. Is tomorrow a holiday? Third one, she prefers a coffee to tea. That is correct. So no articles are required there. She prefers a coffee to tea. He will change sheets every week. A is wrong there. Instead of that you have to write the. He will change the sheets every week. A book is about family that is shipwrecked near island. So A is wrong. The book is about a family that is shipwrecked near island. There is an university that is an hour's drive from there. So there is an is wrong. A university that is A is wrong there. An hour's drive from there. So the correct sentence is there is a university that is an hour's drive from there. So children, I will send all these answers in your textbook. Understood? Then one grammar is given there, that is page number 47. Think and write one informal letter. Imagine that you are Fritz. Write a letter to your friend describing a shipwreck and what happened after that. See, I have given some outline here. Understood? Using this outline you make a story. That is terrible storm for days, ship in danger of sinking, land sighted, happy. But lifeboats taken by captain and crew, sad, angry, scared, worried, sleepless night, try to be brave, thought of making raft. Father disagreed, Jack recalled using tubs. Father got idea to use cask. Smart idea, worked together, took provisions from boat, sailed for land, reached safely. So I have given outline. Using this outline you make a letter and write. Understood? So some more grammar is there. Next class we will discuss with this. I will send all these answers in your group. Till then, bye.